How to recover a deleted Telegram chat on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Telegram chat on iPhone. First, go to the Safari app and search for the Telegram support website. Reach the Telegram support website and describe the issue of your channel in detail. Type words such as you want to recover your account along with photos and chat history. Next, you have to enter your full legal name in the provided area. After that, add your email address and the phone number that is also on your Telegram account. Then hit the submit button to send your request. Telegram support team will review your request and recover the deleted Telegram chat on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.